Hello everybody, today I can simplify radicals by rewriting as a fractional exponent the power over the root and following the given structure. So we've talked about this structure already. Radicals are fractional exponents, then get rid of parentheses. Negative exponents are fractions, clean it up MD, meaning multiply, divide, evaluate. So we're adding a first step in. We did the other three steps. Let's take a look. Radicals are fractional exponents. Do I see radicals? Yes. So I take everything inside the radical and I put it in parentheses and I raise it to a fractional exponent. The fractional exponent is the power over the root. If there is no power, it's a 1. If there is no root, it's a 2. Get rid of parentheses. When I raise a power to a power, I'm multiplying the powers. Negative 2 times 1/2 is negative 1. 5 times 1/2 is 5 times 1 is 5. Over 2 is 2. Negative exponents are fractions. I see a negative exponent. I make a fraction. Right now it's over 1. Whatever's being raised to the negative power goes to the bottom, so this x to the first goes to the bottom and becomes positive. The y is positive, so it stays on top. That's your answer, y to the 5/2 over x. That's how I want it. You could then put that y back into a radical, power over the root. Either way is fine. I'd rather just leave it like that. Let's just take a look at one more, and then we're going to move on. Radicals are fractional exponents. Yes, I see a radical. So whatever's inside the radical, I put into parentheses. Power over the root is 1 over 3. Get rid of parentheses. So I have 27 to the 1/3 power. I have x to the, when I raise a power to a power, I'm multiplying the powers. So 6 times 1/3 is 6 times 1 is 6. Over 3 is 2. Y to the negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. Over 3 is negative 8/3. Negative exponents are fractions. Right now this is over 1. I see a negative exponent. I make a fraction. 27 is being raised to the positive, so it stays. X is being raised to a positive, so it stays. Y is being raised to a negative, so it moves and becomes positive. Clean it up, MZ. There's no multiplication, there's no division, but I can evaluate 27 to the 1/3 power. That's the power over the root. That's the cube root of 27 to the first, which is 3. If you can't handle that, then just go to the calculator and type in 27 to the power of 1 over 3, but you should be able to evaluate that from the previous lesson. Either way, 27 to the 1/3 power is 3. 3x squared over y to the 8/3. I'd rather you leave your answer like that, but you could pop it back into a radical, power over the root. I'd rather you just keep it like that. It's just following the structure. Radicals are fractional exponents first. Make your radicals into fractional exponents, and then you do what we've been doing. So if you see a radical, whatever's inside, you put in parentheses. The fractional exponent is the power over the root, and you go from there. That's it. That's all I got. Practice it. Goodbye.